Hubli ya pi baro ki vivas ki baju setenat ya kene ke channel ke jonga. Ya kene ke video mentangan pentip syapi ya ki pus beyond balaj hapo ka kooperatif Urban Bank Limited. Kebadai hapo Shillong. Ya shwa bangyan ya pe ja ki jingkan kam baro so balaj bat share ha ki perlo ki jong pi. Nang ba ki perlo ki jong pi kintip kam tam ya ki ne ki kubar lakam ba kane ke channel kanwanra syapi ya ki kubar lakam. Te kumbang lada banong baka kooperatif Urban Bank ka code online application ya ki candidates ki badai yang ki post beyond. Te ki post balaj ki don kumbandu tuli ki post baro yang ki beyond. But ya kini ki post pila ban apply kedai SSLC lane kelas 10 pass akano ka Board of School Education. The applicant should be conversant with English and Kasi. Teki applicant kedai banang hakatin Kasi lane English. Kajing siu nam takani kipus kadai arpun wajar newspa praspa live wajar newspa kendai spa arpau live kendai hajar kendai spa siajar sispa arpau sanpu hajar sispa. Tekasnem menangkap takani kipus kadai katpara do live arsnem. De ka upper age limit nakam taki SC/ST kategori kadai sansnem. Candidates seeking age relaxation will be required to submit necessary certificate original copies at the time of interview. Jadi candidate ki bala cross ya ka age relaxation ki hapan penbiang ya ki certificate ki jang pi lane ki badai ki original lane ki zero copy haka por valid interview. Educational qualification kadai class 10. Structure of examinations will be conducted as follows. The subject nam takani post kadai English, urban question, general knowledge and current affairs, urban question, mathematical aptitudes, urban question, logical reasoning, urban question. Each questions will carry 1 mark. There will be no negative marking for the wrong answer. Then ka total question kelong sispa. Dekapor bantu exam kadai arkenta lane sispa arpo minute. The candidates are advised to bring along with them 2 HB pencil, a pencil sharpener, a ball pen, and a good quality eraser. The candidate kibawan bantu ke exam di bandra ki pensil ki kolom ki ball pen bat ki wei ki jingan kam kalkulator ki baje ki smartphone ki mobile phone kim sha bandra haka examination hall. The examination will be conducted in English only. Ya ki paper ki jong pi kin pha tho daga English. Te haka por ba village bantu ya ka exam pia bandra ika admit card ki document ki photo identity proof photocopy of identity proof for mention in to above. Jadi bandra ik kamtam ya ki dor ki admit card ki identity proof jong pi nang ba pin la ban yurung bantu ya ki exam. Examination center. The examination will be conducted in venues across Shillong and will be notified through its website. The examination kan day baca po Shillong bat kin sapente ka website lano kan day ke exam. Anda pila shortlist ya ka examination ke jang pi kin sakot ya pi haka interview. Candidate who have been shortlisted in the examinations will be subsequently be called for an interview to be conducted by the organization. Anda pila pas ya exam ke jang pi labiang ki max ki boro de kin sakot ya pi ya ka interview banwan bat interview bala penbaik ya ka organization jongka kooperatif bank Urban Bank. Akapor ba sakot ya ka interview pi bandra ya admit card ki jong pi ki photo identity ki jong pi ki SSLC admit card epic driving license bat ki ki photo identity. Dia kini ki post bila ban apply kedai online mode shall be accepted. No other mode for submission or application is allowed. Bila ban apply kedai online ke website kedai https://www.scub.co.id Jangan saburu apakah description below kenang bapila ban lek direct na tuka website bang labu siapa. Kajing sobat kelas det ban submit yaki online application form. Dekatari kelas dang nadu ka ar pelai tarik Agos bat kanko tadu ka handu tarik September ajar psau. Te kajing su nam tangkini post kalong lai spa tingka. Te prolog tangkini kajing pentip hakene ka video kabamta. So basyar ki prolog kijong pi nang ba kintip yakini kajing don kam baro. Bat so ba subscribe bat press tu bell icon kenang ba nomes yaki update ki bat mai. Kublai sibun.